Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738 481382, and today we have a 2015 LDV V80 11-seater van. Stock reference number 3947. This shape runs from the first month 2013 through to the 12th month 2018. It has a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, right power door mirror. This vehicle's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the electronic side step, suit left-hand side. Left-hand sliding door has a couple of small dents, suit a good private buyer. Left-hand rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left tail light. Left barn door appears to have no damage. Right hand barn door has a few small dents. Right hand tail light. It's got a park sensor type bumper cover. Tow bar step supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right front door has two small dents and a bit of paint scuffing. Right hand guard has one small dent on the top edge. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. We have all the seats to be sold. Handbrake lever, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, instrument cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and a 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.